We're told life is a game, and in this game, everyone wants to win. But does victory always go to the loudest voice in the room or the strongest person? History tells a different story. The real game changers weren't the ones who used brute force. They were the ones who used their minds. They strategized, they observed, they waited. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of quiet power. This isn't about deception. It's about understanding. It's about how you can win in business, in relationships, and in achieving your personal goals, not by fighting louder, but by thinking smarter. Let's begin the journey. Law 1. Master the inner and outer game. Before you can win any battle, external or internal, your first move is self-awareness. What are your unique strengths? Where do your weaknesses lie? What are you truly afraid of, and what do you genuinely desire? When you know yourself, you can truly understand others. And here, others isn't just a person. It can be a problem, a market, or a situation. Strategy isn't about harming the other side. It's about understanding the landscape so completely that you can navigate it to your advantage. A beginner chess player thinks about their next move. A grandmaster anticipates the next 10 moves of their opponent. They get inside their head because they've studied their patterns, habits, and vulnerabilities. Your life is no different. Whether you're negotiating a deal or mending a relationship, understand the other side's needs, fears, and desires. From that place of understanding, you can chart a path to your goal that feels like a win for them too. Law 2. Patience is an active weapon. We live in a world of instant gratification, but lasting, meaningful success is impossible without patience. Patience isn't passive waiting, it's active preparation. It's improving your skills, observing the situation, and then striking at the exact right moment, when the opportunity is most vulnerable and unsuspecting. An impatient mind, clouded by emotion, makes mistakes. A patient mind remains calm and makes clear, calculated decisions. Your greatest strength isn't rushing forward. It's being so prepared that when the right moment arrives, you are undeniable. Law 3. Build bridges of trust. If you think strategy is only for adversaries, you're missing the biggest piece. Real power is built through alliances, and the foundation of any alliance is trust. People trust those who listen, who seek to understand, and who show respect. Trust opens a door. It's not a tool for manipulation, but for creating mutual understanding. Imagine a business deal. If you lead with your demands, you trigger defensiveness. But if you first seek to understand their problems and build trust, they will often offer you the solutions you wanted themselves. Your victory is hidden in their feeling of a win-win. Trust is a bridge. Don't burn it. Use it to cross over. Law 4. Think in layers, not lines. The best laid plans can fail. The unpredictable happens. So a smart strategist never bets everything on a single move. You must think in layers. Your first layer is what everyone sees, the obvious move. Let your opponent react to it. Let them think they figured you out. But behind that is your second layer, the real move. And behind that, a third layer, your escape plan if things go wrong. This layered approach makes you flexible. If plan A fails, you activate plan B while your opponent is still celebrating. This ability to think several steps ahead is what separates a master from the crowd. Law 5. Master the clock. You can have the world's best plan, but if your timing is off, you will fail. The signature of a master is the recognition of perfect timing. The right time is when 1. Your preparation is complete. 2. The other person is most receptive. 3. The external circumstances are in your favor. Acting too early shows desperation. Acting too late means the window has closed. Right timing is the combination of patience and intense observation. You wait, you watch, and then you strike with full confidence. So we've covered the first 5 laws: self-awareness, patience, trust, layered thinking, and timing. These alone will change your approach to any challenge. Remember, the biggest win is the win you have over yourself. See you in the next one. Law 6. Your face is a fortress. Emotional control. If timing is your external strategy, emotional control is your internal one. Your face, your body language, your tone, they are an open book telling the world what you're thinking. Life is a poker game. Showing too much excitement in a win can come off as arrogance. Showing despair in a loss reveals weakness. Anger shows you've lost control. Your strength lies in being unpredictable. This doesn't mean being a robot. It means choosing when, where, and to whom you show your emotions. Practice this through mindfulness. When your emotions are in your control, your decision-making power increases tenfold. Law 7. The power of the pause, strategic silence. A weak person feels the need to fill every silence. They think talking makes them seem smart, but the truth is the exact opposite. Those who speak less often hold more power. Their words have weight. Their silence creates mystery. It makes people wonder, what are they thinking? What's their plan? When you are silent, you listen. You gather invaluable information. You avoid pointless debates. You conserve energy. And you stay in complete control. Try it in your next meeting. Just listen. You'll be amazed at how much you learn and how much more seriously your words are taken when you finally choose to speak. Law 8. Victory in the mind. Winning the mental battle. Beating someone physically is temporary. Beating them mentally is lasting. You break their willpower and their confidence. Winning the mental game isn't about crushing someone. It's about controlling the situation so they begin to doubt and hesitate themselves. How? 1. Control the narrative. Information is power. What you share and how you share it can paint a specific picture in your opponent's mind. 2. Manage expectations. Be unpredictable. A confused mind always makes mistakes. 3. Drain their energy. Engage them in small, unimportant battles. While they're busy and tired, you prepare your big move for the main war. The goal isn't just to defeat them. It's for them to believe they are already defeated. Law 9. The forgotten game. How to handle victory. Many people think about how to win, but they never think about what comes after. And that's their biggest mistake. Maintaining a victory is often harder than achieving it. When you win, 2 things happen. 1. New rivals emerge. Jealousy and competition grow. 2. You can become complacent and drop your guard. A true strategist doesn't celebrate for long. They immediately analyze. What did I learn? What weaknesses were exposed? What's the next challenge? They see victory not as a final destination, but as a new starting point. Law 10. The ultimate strategy. Mastering yourself. This is the most advanced law. The ultimate game isn't played out there. It's played within you. The ultimate strategy is to play the game on yourself. This means motivating yourself. When you're tired, tell yourself just 1 more hour. You are training your mind to work outside its comfort zone. Self-analysis. Ask daily, what did I learn? Where could I improve? Did I follow my principles? Managing your inner world. When negative thoughts swarm, consciously guide yourself back to positivity. When you master yourself, when you understand your own triggers and drivers, no external challenge can shake you. Your willpower becomes your greatest strategy. There you have it, the 10 laws of quiet power. These aren't for tearing others down. They are for building yourself up. This isn't about deception, it's about discipline. Not manipulation, but mastery. It will take time. You will make mistakes. But if you are persistent, patient, and believe in the process, you will not only win games, you will earn lasting respect and success in every field of your life. This series ends here, but your journey begins now. Go apply these laws. If this 2-part series added value to your life, please let me know by liking the video. Subscribe for more content like this, and tell me in the comments. Which one of these 10 laws will you implement first? Thank you for watching. Have a powerful day. Remember, the greatest victory is the victory you have over yourself.